Let y1x, y2x and y3x be linearly independent solution of the differential equation. This is differential equation. If the Wronskian of the solution is one of the form this for some constant k, and constant it is should be a real number, then the value of b is, we have to find the value of b. So first we have to write auxiliary equation for the differential equation. So auxiliary equation for differential equation is mq minus 6m square plus 11m minus 6 is equal to 0 in terms of m. You can write in terms of d also. So we need to factorize this one. So put m equal to 1. So we see 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. 6 is 12, or if this is positive 1, so this is equal to 0. So 1 is factor, means x minus 1. Now x minus 1 is the factor and you need to divide this polynomial. So what will you get? You will get m minus 2 and m minus 3. Two other factors are these is equal to 0. So here you can say m equal to 1, 2 and 3 are the roots of this auxiliary equation. We have these roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct, so its complementary function will be in, say, y. So e raised to the power x c1 plus c2 e raised to the power 2x plus c3 e raised to the power 3x. These are complementary function. Call this e1 e square e raised to the power 2x and e raised to the power 3x as y1, y2 and y3. And we know the theorem, if there are solution, then their linear combination is also solution. So you can see this is the linear combination of y1, y2 and y3. So this is a complementary function and this is the solution. As it is given, solution are linearly independent. So their Wronskian of y1, y2, y3 is equal to, Wronskian is determinant of y1, y2, y3 and their respective derivatives. So first derivative of y1, first derivative of y2 and first derivative of y3 and also second derivative. So second derivative of y1, second derivative of y2 and second derivative of y3. And we have, this is 3 by 3 size determinant. Always we have Wronskian square determinant. So now put these values. Y1 is e raised to the power x, e raised to the power 2x, e raised to the power 3x, and their respective derivatives are e raised to the power x, 2 e raised to the power 2x, 3 e raised to the power 3x. And their second derivative are e raised to the power x, 4 e raised to the power 2x, and this is 9 e raised to the power 3x. This is the determinant. If solution are linearly independent in terms of determinant, you can say determinant should be not equal to 0. Also in terms of rank, this is a full rank matrix or full rank determinant, because we say so when we use Wronskian or determinant method to check some vectors are linearly independent or not in linear algebra, we also check determinant. In terms of rank, rank should be here 3. So in many ways you can say, so we need to find this determinant as we obtained in the last step. So you can see e raised to the power x is in this column, e raised to the power 2x in second column, and e raised to the power 3x is in third column. So you can take these as a common, so and base is same, so they will be added. So e raised to the power 6x, and we have 1 1 1 1 2 3, and this is 149. Now expand this, and this Wronskian is equal to, as given, k e raised to the power bx. So we have to find the value of b as used here. So you can have an intuition value of b may be 6, but you need to check what is the determinant of this. So we are going to expand this determinant e raised to the power 6x, and determinant will be 18 minus 12 minus 9 minus 3 plus 4 minus 2, and this is equal to k e raised to the power bx. Now this is e raised to the power 6x, so we have 18 minus 12 is 6 minus 6 plus 2. This is cancel out, so this one equal to 2 e raised to the power b e raised to the power 6x, and this is equal to k e raised to the power bx. As only we have to ask about the value of b, not about k, so value of b on comparison you can say b is equal to 6. So we have the solution of means value of the b, value of b is 6.